can die with the fortress of fear, but we won't bend. We're standing here, staring down the ancient stones, where silence speaks in heavy tones. The weight of battles yet to start, but we hold strength within our hearts. The ground trembles, the air is still, but faith and fire bend the will. Break the walls, let the thunder roar. We'll rise above like never before. With every step, the ground will shake. The walls of Jericho will break. They will break, will break. Together we stand, a force untold, a bond of faith stronger than gold. With every cry, our voices rise, tearing the veil before our eyes. Hope ignites like a rising flame. We'll fight the doubt, we'll stake our claim. The path is long, the fight is hard, but we are one, we bear the scar. The ground trembles, the air is still, but faith and fire bend the will. Break the walls, let the thunder roar. We'll rise above like never before. With every step, the ground will shake. The walls of Jericho will break. They will break, will break. Terror lights like a rising flame. We'll fight the doubt, we'll stake our claim. The path is long, the fight is hard, but we are one, we bear the scar. Break the walls, let the thunder roar. We'll rise above like never before. With every step, the ground will shake. The walls of Jericho